views. Are there any other things that you think that we should consider around this investment for you?
I think kind of a phrase that has been the inspirational, kind of the guiding phrase in my mind has been everyday digital for the corrugated industry. Over a series of years, I've applied that vision to the technology as it's been introduced. I've seen some incredible plants around the country. We've got some partnerships with a lot of individuals who have presses of different formats that do beautiful work, and they've been great allies to us. But the goal's always been, what can we have in-house that we can deliver to our customers in a time and fashion that really, really meets our business. And like every other machine investment we've made, what you have to have is a partnership that you can make that investment in. And that's the partnership that the Domino team brings from at all levels. You have to have not only the technology, but you have to have the durability, this marriage between something that is new and innovative, but it's built around a shell or a skeleton or a platform that's proven. Digital print's only as good as getting a sheet through the machine. The X630i's got this great pedigree of transfer and print technology. You get those points together, and then it leads to a dependable partnership that you can move forward with. We're going to have days that are more challenging than others. You got to have a team around you that says, we're going to get through them. We're going to invest around problems. We're going to roll our sleeves up and get through problems. And therefore, we're going to create a deliverable product that's going to make a lot of folks happy. So by putting those three things together, all of a sudden, the X630i at Independent, it's created this everyday digital solution that we do believe will be transformative in our business.
Great. I mean, I do like that term, everyday digital, and I'll thank you because I will probably be using it at some stage in the future. So thank you indeed for that. I think as the world digitizes, we have to sort of go along with it. But your comment about working with Domino, so you're using them as a partner rather than a vendor, a supplier. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it is what I'm saying. We've only gained, our business is only as strong as our manufacturing partners and the dedication that we have with each other to push for innovation, to define what the support structure is. Meaning, hey, things may go wrong, but how do we know how to get around them? It's service. It's predictable preventative planning. It's the education both sides give each other and training. You understand our business. We understand your support. So we've got a lot of confidence in Domino in that spirit of partnership. The other thing Domino's frankly done is said, listen, we have the technology. We know how to scale it. We can bring it across the world, but we're essentially, we're going to be working with a new substrate. Yep. And everybody on this in this event knows corrugated substrate is anything but a known. So Domino's been humble, I think, in saying, listen, let's work together. Let's understand the substrate. Let's understand the demands of your business. And we'll work to tighten up how our technology will successfully work with you day in and day out.